Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just WhatsApp is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close WhatsApp app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your WhatsApp app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here WhatsApp. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful. So the latest updates for your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.